What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at SanDisk. So, looking at SanDisk right now, SanDisk is looking very bearish. Also, if you look at the situation of the market as a whole, everything is looking bearish, including crypto. Crypto is also looking very bearish. Okay, so this is definitely for some reasons. One of the reasons being the war, the whole tension, the whole escalated things right now that is going on, which is definitely one of the major reasons. And I don't know if you're also following my crypto channel, but I doubt you definitely be following that, or so you are subscribed to that channel. But I used to talk about S&P 500 whenever I'm analyzing Bitcoin every day. So I think I will try as much as I can to do that on my stock video. So moving forward right now, we could see that from my previous video, I made it known to each and every one of us that, SanDisk was definitely going to be finding a very strong resistance at $1,760. And why was I actually assuming that most stocks has actually peaked this 2026 is because in fact I feel stocks have peaked long time ago, but due to the AI narrative and all, it kept on rallying, going to its maximum profit taking level. And without even wasting much of your time, I made it known to us that $1,763 or $60 is definitely where I think we are probably going to be consolidating, or will find some correction. Because if you look at this from the weekly time frame right here, you could see that we've rallied. So if I should move this to the 4 hours time frame right here, you could see that if I should take all of this away for us to take a good look at SanDisk, we could see that SanDisk is actually finding support around this level at 1,553. Now there could be a possibility whereby we might end up consolidating, breaking out of this resistance at $1,764, and we could rally again all the way to $1,963, just to trap some people who are kind of short on SanDisk. I don't know, but I'm coming from a place of TradFi. And looking at the crude oil right here, I think the crude oil is somewhere around here. You could see clearly that crude oil right now is kind of looking bearish, and which is definitely what we're supposed to make risk on assets or low risk on assets like stocks to actually rally. And looking at stocks right here, we could see it's been in a massive downtrend for a very, very long time. But the level we definitely want to see the crude oil breaking below is definitely here at $85. Obviously, seeing crude oil breaking below $85 will definitely be when I will say, okay, we are most likely going to be rallying, which is stocks. But if we are going to be finding support around here at 85 and rallying much higher from here, I would say things might actually get ugly. But the moment we break below this level and we retest and dump even much lower, I can say things will definitely look good, or things will probably start playing out well for SanDisk and every other stock market. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from SanDisk, given the fact that we could see it clearly that the moment we break below this level, this support level at $1,560, we retest this level, we are most likely going to be dumping. In fact, I'm not even seeing us dumping all the way down to $1,353. I'm seeing us dumping all the way down to probably $911. Now, when we dump to $911, or sorry, not 900, we could drop all the way down to all the way down here at $885. Will this be a great buy? Yes, this will most likely be a great buy, a place to keep on start dollar cost averaging into SanDisk. Can't lie. So that is just definitely all I can say. And majorly looking at the news right here, based on what I can see with the headline, I can see SanDisk stocks escape from memory lane. So based on what I can see, management says it has fundamentally altered the memory industry's historical cyclicality, and equity markets are assigning a premium valuation to its strategic shift. It's one thing to ride the AI wave. It's another to do what SanDisk stock has done, which obviously SanDisk has rallied massively over the year. So we could also see that the underlying driver of its significant trailing return extends beyond general sector tailwind. It addresses a structural question long evaluated by semiconductor investors, which is a memory manufacturer transition away from the steep supply and demand volatility inherent to the industry. So internal leadership has made a clear strategic commitment to this outcome, and following their latest corporate briefing, the stock price has appreciated an additional 60.5%. So, this is definitely one, just okay, acknowledging the fact that SanDisk has rallied, obviously, but it is obviously down 11%. So I think this is definitely what I think will probably happen to stocks. Even though we end up rallying all the way to probably $1,950 something dollars or $60, I still think that we are still going to be dumping much lower regardless. So yep, this is just majorly all I can say for now. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.